night falls silent, I'm alone. Whispers of you in every tone. Memories linger, they pull me down. In this lonely city, I'm just a ghost in town. I try to breathe, I try to fight. Every step pulls me back tonight. I keep running through the night, chasing shadows of your light. Every tear tells my name, but I'll rise from this flame. Neon streets, echoes of pain. Your laughter haunts me like the rain. I reach for you, but you're not there. Still feel your ghost everywhere. The silence screams, it cuts so deep. Even in dreams, you never sleep. I keep running through the night, chasing shadows of your light. Every tear tells my name, but I'll rise from this flame. Even when the world fades away, I'll hold your memory, I'll stay. Through the dark, through the pain, I'll find my way. I'll rise again. I keep running through the night,